Module 3, Lesson 1, Write your first email content, 4 minutes. In simple marketing, content and campaigns are separate things. Content is the reusable creative. Campaigns are the send events that use content. This lesson focuses on the content side. You'll write an email once and then use it in as many campaigns as you want. Click Content in the sidebar. The library opens. The list shows every content piece in your workspace. The default columns are name, kind, status, and last updated. Filter by kind to see only emails or only SMS or only landing page copy. Click New Content at the top right. The editor opens with a fresh canvas. First decision, pick the kind. Email body is the most common. Pick that. Pick the channel. Email is the default. Pick a name. This is the internal name your team uses to find this content. It does not appear in the actual email subscribers receive. Be specific. Manufacturing newsletter October 2026 beats newsletter draft. If you want to start from a template, pick one from the dropdown. Otherwise, leave it blank to start with an empty editor. The kind, channel, and name lock in the editor's behavior for the rest of this lesson. Subject line goes in the field at the top. This is the single most important line in the entire email. The recipient sees the subject and the pre-header. They decide whether to open based on those two strings. Type your subject. Keep it under 60 characters. Use the same language your subscribers use, not industry jargon. Pre-header, the line right below. This is the snippet that appears next to your subject in the inbox preview. Different from the body's first line. Override it with intentional copy. A good subject and pre-header together pull the recipient into the email. A bad pair burns them on a bounce. Body editor, the large area in the middle. Type your email content. The editor supports formatting. Bold, italic, headings, links, lists, images. Use merge fields where personalization matters. Type the variable picker shortcut, or click the Merge Fields button. Drop in subscriber first name, brand name, audience name, custom attributes. The preview pane on the right renders as you type. What you see on the right is exactly what the recipient will see, with sample data filled in for merge fields. Keep the body readable on a phone. Short paragraphs, real spaces around images. Mobile is where most email is read. When you're done writing, click Save as Draft. The content lands in the library. Status is draft. You can come back and edit it, version it, or push it to published when you're ready to use it in campaigns. The detail page after save shows the metadata. AI provenance fields appear if any AI assist was used. Lesson 2. The version history shows every save. Revert to any prior version with one click. This content piece is now available in the campaign wizard. When you build your first campaign in Module 4, you'll pick this draft from the dropdown. Next lesson, AI subject line drafting.